If you want to learn the best and easiest carrot cake recipe and also some hints and tips on how to make it exceptional, you better keep watching. Hello there, this is Fawaz the Cake Boy. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best place for bakers, cakepreneurs, and cake lovers, where I share amazing recipes every single time. So, give a little love tap on that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified once I upload a new video. Since today is for carrot cake, I'll be giving you my premium carrot cake recipe and at the same time sharing with you the best hints and tips on how to make it exceptional. Without wasting too much of your time, let's get into the cool stuff. This is my carrot cake and here is the recipe. I started by adding oil into the bowl and then egg. You need to use a wooden thing, not really a whisk, so that you'll not be able to incorporate too much hair into the butter. I added the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, and then mix together as well, not whisking, so that you not incorporate too much hair again. I added a combination of flour, bicarbonate of soda, and baking soda with the salt and mixed in. This was my batter. Then I added in the fine grated carrot and then mix in that same motion. So this is just a very kind of soft butter that does not really need to get too much hair into it because we need a denser cake. So now you grease your pan and then flour it. So I put the butter into this pan and then I baked it. So this was the very sweet and lovely outcome of my carrot cake. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video for more of this kind. Leave a comment below so I can make more videos.